Section 4.4 has to deal with the laws of logarithms. Question number 1 is asking us to prove the product rule. So we need to prove that log base A of AB is equal to log base A of A plus log base A of B. So I'm going to let x equal log base A of A, and I want to let y equal log base A of B. And my first step is going to be to actually transform both of these. So just like in the last section, we're doing a lot of transforming. So this is going to be a raised to the x is equal to capital A. This will be a raised to the y is capital B. Our next step is going to be to multiply these two. So if we do that, we are multiplying, let's take the capital A and the capital B. So that side will be this, and then if you take the lowercase a and the lowercase a to the y, this will be a to the x and a to the y. So I've just multiplied my two equations together. Then if you look at the right hand side, so the left hand side is going to stay the same, but the right hand side, those are both lowercase a, which means they're the same base, which means you can combine them and you need to add the exponents. So that would be a raised to the x plus y. My next step is going to be to transform back. So if we do this, then we're going to get log base A of AB is equal to x plus y. And then my final step is going to be to replace the x and the y. So I'm going to get log base A of AB is equal to log base A of capital A plus log base A of capital B. So that x and y, I'm replacing those with the original definitions that I had for them. And this is the product rule. The quotient rule is actually very similar to this. We're not going to show the proof, but it would be very similar to this.